Hello. The English modern alphabet is an Latin alphabet consists of 26 letters. Each letter has an uppercase and lowercase. The uppercase is known as capital letters and the lowercase is known as small letters. The A, B, C, D to Z are called as letters. The letters are classified into vowels and consonant. The vowels are 5 letters: A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. The consonants are rest of. The alphabets of beginners. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The modern English alphabets is an Latin alphabet consists of 26 letters. 26 letters. Each letter has uppercase and lowercase. The uppercase is known as capital letters and the lowercase is known as small letters. We are writing now lowercase, means small letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These are known as small letters.